The World Health Organization has selected Nigeria and 5 other African countries to begin their own mRNA COVID-19 vaccine production. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories now. At number 10, the University of Oxford, England, has inducted a Nigerian, Emmanuel Ikechukwu Ume Oyinrioha, as its first Igbo language lecturer. Ume Oyinrioha announced this on his Twitter handle on Thursday night, as he noted that it was the first time that the language would be taught in the university. He tweeted, "It is official that I am the first official Igbo language lecturer at the #1 university in the world, the University of Oxford." At number 9, a group of South Africans stormed the shop of a Nigerian man, Nicholas John, and beat him to death over alleged stolen laptop. The Nigeria Union of South Africa announced the death of Mr. John following the vicious attack on him in his shop. NUSA President Collins Igbo confirmed the incident in a statement issued from South Africa on Thursday. The statement revealed that Mr. John, an indigene of Ogun State, was attacked by a mob at his shop in Kimberley in South Africa's Northern Cape on February 12th. NUSA President disclosed that the victim was married to a South African woman who was delivered of a baby barely 3 months ago. The statement further explained that the Nigerian was attacked by a South African gang for buying a stolen laptop. It added that Mr. John had battled to survive at an intensive care unit in Kimberley Hospital, where he died. At number 8, the federal government has called on Nigerians to stop showing mercy to Abuja beggars. Specifically, the Federal Capital Territory Administration appealed to Nigerians to stop giving alms to beggars on the streets of Abuja. The Director of Social Welfare Services at the FCTA Social Development Secretariat, Sani Amar, made the appeal at a news conference on Thursday. Mr. Amar explained that the Secretariat had intensified efforts to rid the territory of environmental nuisance, including street begging, prostitution, child labor, drug peddling, and kidnapping. Recall that the Secretariat's task force recently apprehended a 48-year-old beggar, Hadiza Ibrahim, with 500,000 naira and $100. The FCTA director stated that giving alms to beggars on the streets was causing environmental nuisance in the nation's capital city. At number 7, the petroleum tanker drivers and the Nigerian Association of Road Transport Owners have suspended their plan to embark on strike. Last week, petroleum tanker drivers had threatened to stop work nationwide if the Nigerian government does not immediately rehabilitate 21 major roads captured in the 621 billion naira NNPC road infrastructure tax credit scheme. In a statement released late Thursday, the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited announced that the two organizations had suspended their planned industrial action after the state oil company intervened. It said the decision was reached after talks between NATO, PTD, NUPEN, Nigerian Midstream and Downstream Petroleum Regulatory Authority, and NNPC. At number 6, Malawi has recorded the first outbreak of polio on the African continent in several years. The World Health Organization announced this on Friday. Polio is a contagious infectious disease and can cause paralysis and death. WHO said the World Type 1 polio virus was discovered in a child in the city of Lilongwe, adding that laboratory tests had shown that it had apparently been brought in from Pakistan. At number 5, the governor of Katsina State, Aminu Masari, has signed an executive order banning Bacha and Karaoye political thugs. Commissioner of Information, Yahya Sirika, announced this in a statement on Friday in Katsina, adding that the order was in line with the powers conferred on the governor by Section 176, subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution. The governor said the executive order is to tackle security challenges in the state already worsened by bandits. Mr. Sirika added that the order banned all forms of political thuggery and associated crimes in Katsina. He explained that the governor also banned the indiscriminate posting of political parties' posters and banners in roundabouts, government buildings, offices, and public places. At number 4, the Abuja Electricity Distribution Company has announced a 7-hour power supply disruption on Saturday, February 19th, over the maintenance of the Apo transmission substation in Abuja. In a statement seen on Friday, the DISCO said the current low supply of electricity to users around Apo axis is due to low output from the generation companies, just as companies are working to quickly restore stable supply. AEDC announced power supply will be disrupted from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday around 12 communities serviced by the Apo transmission substation. The affected areas are Lokogoma, Apo Mechanic Village, Apo Resettlement, Waro Village, Gudu, Gadua Estate, Trademore Estate, Apo Legislative Quarters, Behind Transmission Substation, EFAB Galaxy Estate, EFAB Sunshine Estate, Cedar Crest Hospital and environs. At number 3, there was confusion at the General Aviation Terminal of the Murtala Mohammed International Airport in Abuja on Friday morning when Arik Air passengers disrupted the operation of the airline over the cancellation of their flight. It was gathered that scores of passengers of the airline who had their Owerri flight cancelled on Thursday stormed the Arik Air counter on Friday morning, insisting they must be airlifted to Owerri first before any other flight is operated for the day. This led to rowdiness at the domestic airport, leaving passengers scheduled for morning flights stranded. The angry passengers also complained that the airline refused to give them food or water. At number 2, President Muhammadu Buhari has accepted an invitation from the President of Czech Republic, Miloš Zeman, to visit his country in 2022. The Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, disclosed this in a statement he signed on Friday, titled President Buhari and other G4 members evolve new strategies for conflict resolution in Africa. Buhari and his Czech counterpart, who held a bilateral meeting on Thursday in Brussels, Belgium, renewed mutual commitment towards the Joint Commission mechanism to enhance a qualitative relationship diplomatically and people to people. Czech expressed readiness to partner with Nigeria in the fields of agriculture and health and has decided to convene a pre-assumption of EU presidency consultative meeting to help set early agenda for her presidency. Finally, at number 1, the World Health Organization has selected Nigeria and 5 other African countries to begin their own mRNA COVID-19 vaccine production. According to a statement on Friday, the World Health Organization listed other countries selected as the first recipients of technology from the World Health Organization's global mRNA vaccine hub as Egypt, Kenya, Senegal, South Africa and Tunisia. The 6 countries were announced by the World Health Organization Director General, Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, who said the first 6 countries would receive the technology needed to produce mRNA vaccines on the African continent at the African Union Summit in Belgium on Friday. Part of the statement read, Egypt, Kenya, Nigeria, Senegal, South Africa and Tunisia all applied and have been selected as recipients. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands and stay safe. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.